Today is November 15th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company. We're going to do a brief demo video of a Remedy CNC gang tool lathe we have here. That's a model SL25. The centroid control. That's the machine's cooling system. It has some odds and ends with it. Chuck, tool posts, collets, tool holders, manuals. View of the inside. The full specs for this machine can be found on our website, hildebrandmachinery.com, in addition to photos and pricing. I have a small program ready to just see some basic turning, constant surface speed, and then I believe a tapered thread. The little graph there showing the tool, and spindle speed's going to jump about 1,000 RPM at a time, so that you can see the range. And what it's doing there is cutting a tapered thread. That's it. If there are any questions about the machine, feel free to contact us. We can be reached through our website, where all the contact information is at hildebrandmachinery.com. Thank you.